I am trying to do imitation, not imitation, shadowing technique, where one of our mentor teacher is teaching. It's a Hindi and English mix, and I'll be copying. I'll be speaking like her. Deferred income, डेफर्ड इनकम के बारे में बता रहे हैं. और व्हाट इज़ डेफर्ड इनकम? These this is the seventh option. This is a class going on where is some disturbance coming because people are entering, people are going. Once they are coming late, the arrangements are all getting disturbed. There are no chairs for them to sit, and since they are late comers, so some disturbance is there. Balance cashback, lifetime income with cashback. Option 6 is lifetime income with cashback. Option 7 is deferred income with cashback. ठीक है, तो ये सेवन्थ ऑप्शन है. एट्थ ऑप्शन यहाँ लिख रही हूँ क्योंकि नीचे दिख नहीं रहा है. शी इज़ राइटिंग ऑन द ब्लैक बोर्ड, ऑन द वाइट बोर्ड विच इज़ देयर थ्रू दैट मार्कर. The back benchers are not able to see, so for them the space is being created to write down so that the options are clearly visible. This is not exactly the shadowing technique, but then I have no option. This is the video available with me which I have recorded, and I am trying to copy her, whatever she is speaking, whatever teacher is speaking. Last survivor, lifetime income with oblique 100% oblique 50%, annuity to second annuitant. Last survivor with lifetime income with two options, 100% / 50% to the annuity to the second annuitant. Now there are some doubts coming up and people are asking questions. This is a disturbed kind of shadowing which I am doing. There is a classroom where a lot of senior citizens are sitting. I am not able to show them, and whatever is taught, that is recorded, and I am now replaying the video and listening to that. At the same time I am trying to shadowing that. So there are 8 options: last survivor, lifetime income, 100% oblique 50%, and 50% to the second annuitant. This is what she is trying to speak. Now there is a disturbance. Lot of chairs have come for the new and late comers. They will come. They are still coming. There is a flexibility. Discipline is not that strict. People keep coming even after 1 hour. The class has already started 1 hour back. Already they have started half an hour late because the strength was not there. I, being a regular person, reaching first and leaving last, that is one of the thing which I am maintaining. Here in this I am doing the shadowing technique, and I'll stop here at this point. Let me see how it looks, and then I'll try to improve in the next video. This is GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur signing off. Thank you. Bye.